back in my lovely living room again. I've done all the painting, the walls are nice and white, the skirting boards are nice and white. The shelves are up, look, and some shelves behind you that you will see in another video. One thing that I have taken down when I started painting was my lovely smoke alarms, which are nice and dusty. So they were the old ones, and I've got some new ones for the new decorating. I've got the First Alert smoke alarms, the value pack, 2 alarms included. I think it was something like $10.99 or something for both from B&Q, which isn't bad. It's really good. If fire causes up to 25,000 deaths in Europe every year, 2 to 3 of these victims die at night due to suffocation. It's really nice reading, this is. This alarm will protect you in your home by giving you an early warning for this potential lethal threat. For more information on UK legislation, visit First Alert. It's got really good things there. It's got the ionization sensing technology, a loud 85 dB alarm horn, low battery warning, battery and fixing supplied. So that's good. So when I open it up, I won't need to run out the room to get a battery for it, will I? So that's one good thing. So let's get into the package, shall we? Use these sharp nails. Get this out of taking. So I'm hoping they're on the same lines as the old one. Really hoping. Well, that's good then. It looks like they are. Just get the instructions out and see the producer. And the screws. I'm going to put it down over there. So I've got one left to do over there or there, above your head, where you should actually. Sounds good. So we've got a couple of screws and wall plugs. Do I need the wall plugs? Yeah, so there's one packet. So that pack goes down. Then my screws and my not necessary wall plugs. My instructions, which look quite simple. Possibly. Yeah. I'm hoping, like I said, that they're on the same guidelines as the other one. Which it doesn't look like it is though. Ooh. It's different inside, look. That's not good, Mr. Producer. It's different inside. That stays attached, so I've got to screw it up like that. With that on. Should I do the battery first then? Because it's got plastic around the battery has. Am I doing this right now? Yeah. Mr. Producer's there trying to give me directions on how to do it, bless him. Oh, you want me to give you the rubbish? No, you want to give me the battery. Why do I need to give you the battery? Oh, it'll be heavy with it. So we're going to put the old one down there because it's not necessary now, really, is it? So we'll put this here for now. Save opening the door. Take my screwdriver. Thank you. I'm hoping I can spot the old ones. There they are. You can see one of them. So I'm presuming you do it for those holes, do you? The bigger holes. Yeah, push it up in twist. Yeah? So I put the screws in first then, without this on. Yeah? Do I do that? Then screw it on. No? Is that wrong? A magic pen. It appeared out of nowhere. I've been told, because I needed a little bit of help, that I've got to mark up the holes with a pen. So I need to find the old holes, which are there. try and mark it up. Mr. Producer's still got my battery, haven't you? Yes. Right. I've lost it again. It's a whole new level of snow blindness. There we go. I've lost it again. Oh, the back there. Yeah? Them two there. That's not them over there. Is that right? Am I underneath them now? Yeah, they're there, look. I don't like these steps. I'm gonna go back a bit, haven't I? We'll try that bit now. Ooh, right angle. I don't like this. Ooh. I think I'm going to move my steps back a bit. Because then I'm not right under it, yeah? Let's see if I'm over it. Don't need the pen. I still feel like I'm right under it. I'm like 2 foot off the floor and I'm panicking. That's a bit better. Can you just hold on to that a second, Mr. Producer, so I don't knock it off? Thank you. Come on, get in the hole. There we go. We'll try again, shall we? I might be giving this up as a bad day job, Mr. Producer. You might be doing it yet. I'll tell you what, Mr. Producer. You get this crazy and then I'll tighten them up. How's that sound? So Mr. Producer's got them biting. I've just got to tighten them a bit, then he's going to pass it the circle out. It's because I'm not confident of the steps. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. The schmuck alarm, please. You want it a bit tighter? Okay. Thank you very much. You tap me. Or is I wrong? Oh, there ain't now, are they? Okay. Battery. Stop here. You have my screwdriver. I'll have the battery. Thank you. There we go. Okay. I think we'll wake up if we hear that, won't we? Right. I need like told. There you go. There's the first one up. Now the food part again. Looking for a needle in a haystack. Or a white bit in a white ceiling. So Mr. Producer said I can pick anywhere I want, as long as it's in the middle. Is that right? Yeah. So I need to get rid of the fire alarm or smoke alarm. I'm getting rid of the rubbish. It's not in the way there. Is it? This one's not coming undone. To get the battery out. Okay. So I think there, that looks like it's in the middle of the middle. Does that look like it's in the middle of the middle? Mr. Producer smiled. He wanted me to turn around. He didn't say pick the landlord and turn around. How's that? Hold that, please. Hold that, please. Come on, Mr. Producer, you're meant to have 3 hands. Should be magnetic on the end. But then it'll never let go, would it? Let it go. Don't let it go. Hold on to it. It's not going in. Mr. Producer's going to come and do it, get on there, and then I'll tighten them again. Goodbye. So Mr. Producer's making tighter for me. So now I'm just going to tighten them up and get the smoke off. Mr. Producer. I'm not underneath them enough. I'm too underneath them now. That's about right, would you say? It's a bit like an optical illusion as the arm up here, isn't it? I don't think I'm going to be able to do it that way around, am I? Should I just leave it like that? Say about that? There you go, Mr. Producer. Can I have the battery, please? Come on, reach, boy. Boy. It's my new saying at the moment, that, for some reason. Come on. You ready? So, I just visited two, mostly on my own. First alert, smoke alarms. My living room is very nicely protected now, and I have tested them. So don't forget guys, always test your smoke alarm once a week. Just to make sure the battery is going good, okay? Always be safe guys. If you could like the video for me, iPhones and iPads, and everything else. Subscribe to me on YouTube at Adelesexyuk, and if you fancy buying me something as a present to say thank you for my lovely videos, there's a wish list on my Twitter account at Adelesexyuk, and it is alive and active and working well. And I will talk to you all very soon. Bye for now.